All right, so what am I talking about when I'm talking about Hangman? Well, I'm talking about, you know, not using anything we haven't so far seen. We're going to be using arrays. We're going to be using uh, pop-ups, alerts, prompts, ifs, loops. That's pretty much it. That's all that's necessary to be done here, and using the DOM as well. So the things that we've seen so far in the past 2 weeks are going to kind of culminate right now into making, a fun little game. So I got the game, and you'll see that, right, it's running in the background here on this page. That way I can input data here. I don't need to use a form or anything like that. I can just use our prompts. It works fine, right? If somebody enters something like this, well, I don't care at the moment, right? I just want them to put in a single letter, and we don't need to do too much debugging or anything like that, any testing really. So kind of what you see here in the background is we got the Hangman, right? I assume that as I go, he's going to grow if I miss letters. I've got these letter spots showing me how many letters are in the word. I know what the word is because I already put it in. I added a couple and had it randomly choose one, but still, I made them all different lengths so that I knew what was coming up, right? So if I put in the wrong letter here, if I put in an A, I say, okay, it says A is not found in the secret word. Okay, so what happens with that? Well, the page updated. I got a head on my Hangman. It told me my wrong guesses are A. I got 5 chances left. If I put in A again, it tells me I already used that letter. Try again. Didn't take away any chances. Didn't add any more to wrong guesses. Nothing like that. If I put in a correct letter, say E, it just fills it in the blanks for where it was meant to be. So if I put in, let's see, an L, L's not found. So I've got 2 wrong guesses now, A and L, with 4 chances left to go. My Hangman's growing. So I'm just going to quickly lose out here. So O is not found in the secret word. I had 1 chance left. I had already guessed A, L, Z, K, and P. My Hangman's about to be full. Alright, you lose. The word was secret. Game over. I have a full Hangman. 0 chances left. All my things show up. Alright, so what happens if I win? 2 S's. The word is lists. So I'll guess that. You won. The word is lists. It showed it to me. Doesn't need to fill it in because it shows it to me up top. And I had no wrong guesses. I still have 6 chances left. Alright, so I can refresh and run and play this game. This word is just word, so I can guess it. I'll show you what happens if, say, I type in something like this, right? Like I said, it found the W. It immediately then shoved the whole thing in there, said it was fine. Obviously, it's not fine, right? The word is not word, O-R-D. It's just W-O-R-D. But I'm not too worried about, bugs like that. This is, not the place or time that we care about things like that. So quickly, I just wanted to show you the HTML I'm using for this game. You'll see it's really simple. I've got a header, nothing's in it. I've got a body with 4 divs here. I've got the win, which either shows whether you win or lost. I've got the Hangman, which this is being drawn within. I've got the word, which is where these underscores are showing up. And then I've got the guesses, which is where wrong guesses and chances left are both populating. Get add another one for chances left. I'm just using a line break when I'm outputting. And then I've got the script being called here, down here, right before the end of the body after everything's been done, just so that it can access all these IDs. So it's your job to then figure out what is all in this JavaScript and get it to run in the same manner that this runs. Feel free to draw your Hangman differently. It's just the simplest way that I had done it. And to make sure you use blanks. I don't care if they're underscores or X's or what, but just so we know how many letters are in the word. All right, thanks.